Welcome back, everybody. We are at Aberdeen Lake today. We're hammocking right on the water. It's his first time in it, so we'll see how this goes. All right, it's windy and the rain is blowing in, so I'm gonna get my tarp up quick and then help Jeremy get his up. I'm gonna get the back half staked out, do the front and porch mode so I have the view of the lake. Quick marlin spike hitch. Do the same to this side. It is starting to rain a little and my rock's breaking. Again, another marlin spike hitch. Quick little guy line adjustment, get some tension on this tarp before the wind takes her away. Didn't quite plan the porch mode too well. I have nowhere to go on this side, so this is gonna be an awkward pitch. Gonna have to tie off to these roots. I don't really have much of an option, and the wind is picking up. It's a quick release loop and a toggle. So half porch mode-ish, if that's what you want to call it. Anchor off to this tree. A bit of an unorthodox pitch for me. It's raining, it was hasty, and it worked out surprisingly. I really dig that. Jeremy's just tying up his ridge line. We gotta be quick, the wind's coming in and it is sprinkling on us. I don't wanna get hit with rain before our tarps are up. So this is gonna be quick. The wind really picked up after porch mode and we battened down the hatches. It's still raining a little bit. It's about 3 in the afternoon and I think it's about time we get a fire going. While I'm getting the fire going, Jeremy's getting his rod together. I'm gonna try a little bit of fishing. Off to a decent start. I'll get back to you guys in a little while. Jeremy's casting out some spinners. I'm going for the fly rod. Dry flies producing 0 results. I switched over to a good old pumpkin head. These are my exploratory option. I usually try this first. I don't know why I didn't. For first dinner, yeah, we're having 2, is fully cooked honey garlic pork back ribs. Jeremy got into them a little before I said we have to film this. They're pre-cooked. We're wrapping them in tin foil and throwing them in there. Not sure how this is gonna work. I have never done ribs in the bush, but they're gonna be good. It's gonna be messy, and well, this is not going so smooth already. Oh, well, got a little saucy. That's what pants are for, right? We want every drop of that ooey gooey honey garlic goodness. All right, let's get these bad boys wrapped up and cooking. Oh, think I should have a rock in there? Probably not. I have no fire poker yet, so this little burnt stick's gonna have to do. Oh, that's hot. And that's dinner number 1. Going for the knuckles. Definitely a murder of crows out there somewhere. I don't know if you heard them squawking on the mic, but dinner time. That look amazing. Oh, these are gonna be good. Oh, I cut her. Take your half. Yeah, the big thick one, right? Eat it. Eat it. Oh yeah. Honey garlic ribs for the win. And carnivore style. Well, this is only first dinner. We got more coming. Get back to you guys in a little while. Jeremy's taking a little siesta in the hammock. I'm enjoying this nice warm fire. I stole his chair and enjoying this amazing view. This is unbelievable. Figure between the wind gusts, I come down to the water, enjoy a great view and a bevy. It's just beautiful out here. I'm glad the weather kind of turned around. A double cold that is now warm IPA by Lighthouse Brewing. These are delicious beers, a little strong, a little rough, but not too bad. Jeremy snuck up behind me while I was doing that. He's checking the corn right now. I think he's getting hungry again, and it's time for dinner number 2. So let's try that again, because that really just happened and I'm not happy. That was not a good move. Last beer of the night, got a couple sips out of that one. And yeah, let's cook some dinner. Dinner 2 idea was scrapped at the moment. Fish started surfacing. I'm out here with a dry fly now. I switched it over since they are hitting the surface. And Jeremy switched over to another spinner from his bobber. So we'll see. Hopefully we catch something. Regardless of the fact fish are surfacing all around us at the moment and we're not getting a single bite, doesn't matter. Look at this view. This is a beautiful place to be fly fishing right now. I can't complain. Perfection. Can't beat this. Corn's been soaking since we got here, ready to throw on the fire. Dinner number 2. Told you we'd get there. This is a Canadian maple and apple pork tenderloin. Never done this before. This is gonna be damn good. Just need some tin foil. Let's do this. Tender and juicy, ready in 12 minutes, according to the box. That's just a big log of meat. Same plan as before. Wrap it in tin foil, chuck her in the coals. All right, let's wrap this one a little better than the last one. Actually, add a little seasoning. The meat log, corn on the cob, done right on the fire. After soaking in the lake for a few hours. Now that's gonna be a feast. Oh, that looks unbelievable. What do you say about there?
Yeah.
Oh my. Wait till you taste that, man. That's something else. And then for the corn, look at that. Nice, steamy, fresh corn. This would be phenomenal. All right, let's butter up this corn. Jeremy's being cameraman. He's actually late to the party. Thank you for that. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Way too much butter on there. Oh, that's a mess. All right, well, cheers everybody. Bon appetit. Using your hands? That's impressive. My knife was right there. You guys seeing that? That's like caveman things right there. How is it? Oh yeah. Yep. Oh yeah, 100%. It tastes like lake. It kind of does though. All right, let's try this pork tenderloin. Oh, man, we did good. Like, so good. We're gonna enjoy dinner. We'll get back to you guys in a little while. All right, quick little dish run. Jeremy's already done his. Well, dishes be done, fire be stoked, my belly's full. And dinner number 2 was probably better than dinner number 1. Those ribs were good, but that pork tenderloin was something else. Not sure if you can hear that, but I think the frogs followed me from Flyfish Lake over here. It is the same mountain range, just the other side. And yeah, they're here. A Project 9 Pilsner and a Red Ale Ridgewalk by Fernie Brewing Co. This is dessert. I'm getting the red ale. Cheers, buddy. Oh, I'll get back to you guys in a little while. The night's just winding down. Jeremy's getting the fire going. We let it die out to do some astrophotography. I'll share those with you here. Next time I see you guys, I'll be in the hammock. Catch up with you soon. All tucked in for the evening, super comfortable. It's a great day, good food, lots of laughs, and some amazing astrophotography. Oh, couldn't ask for a better camp. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the morning. Well, good morning, everybody. It's like 9:30. I slept like a rock. Anyways, I'm gonna get up. Well, apparently this guy's buying a hammock when we get back to town, which is pretty quick. He's just finishing packing up, then we're loading the truck up and heading out of here. Thanks for watching, everybody. This was a good trip, and I'll catch you on the next adventure.